severe thunderstorm warning information. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Clay County, Eastern Nuckolls County, Fillmore County, Thayer County, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:18 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairfield to near Ruskin to near Republic, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: Automated Weather Station. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Deshler, Davenport, Byron, and all around 1:25 a.m. Shickley and Carleton around 1:30 a.m. Hebron, Bruning, Chester, and Belvedere around 1:35 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Geneva, Strang, Ohio, Alexandria, Gilead, Exeter, and Milligan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 02:15 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Clay, Fillmore, Nuckolls, and Thayer.